Welcome to another fun experiment. Here we will check will we ever run out of resources in the Windows 10 operating system. As we know, every running application program requires system resources like memory and processing power to run. Here we will check whether our resources are sufficient to handle all the applications we have or not. We are not going to use any complex application. We are going to use the Microsoft Paint application provided with the operating system. First, I am opening the Task Manager to check the available memory and other resources. You can see we have 12 gigs of RAM, out of which 8 gigs are available, and the processor is also not busy. Now I will open the Microsoft Paint application. Now I will resize the canvas to 99,999 pixels, as it is the maximum pixel size supported by Microsoft Paint. But we are getting some errors showing we are running out of resources. It means that even the built-in applications of Windows requires a massive amount of computing resources. But if I change the size to 9999, it will run smoothly. But if I change it again to 99,999, then it will display the same error. Okay, that's all for this fun experiment. We will do such fun experiments in the upcoming videos. Thank you for watching the video and consider subscribing to the channel.